In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gcash to buy games on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so your purchase goes through smoothly. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Steam account. Your Gcash wallet has enough balance to cover the game price and any applicable fees, and your Steam store region supports Gcash as a payment option. Begin by browsing the Steam store and selecting the game you want. Open the game's store page and take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct edition, language support, and system requirements for your device. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. This places the game in your shopping cart without charging you yet. Next, click View My Cart. Here, review your cart contents, double-check the price, and confirm whether you're buying for yourself or planning to gift later. Reviewing now helps prevent issues like buying the wrong edition or adding duplicate content. Proceed by clicking Continue to Payment. This takes you to the checkout page where Steam finalizes the payment method. If you see a default payment option selected, don't worry, you're about to change it. On the payment method section, click Change. Steam lists all payment methods available in your region. If Gcash is supported for your store country, you'll see it here. Select Gcash. Steam handles this through a trusted payment partner, so you'll be redirected securely in a moment. After selecting Gcash, click Continue. Steam will prepare your order summary with Gcash as the chosen method. Take a second to verify that everything looks correct. Game title, total cost, and your email for the receipt. Before proceeding, check the box indicating you agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement. This is required for every purchase on Steam and confirms you understand Steam's policies on refunds, content, and usage. Now click Continue to Smart Pay. Steam will securely hand you off to its payment partner to complete the Gcash portion. Follow the on-screen prompts and be ready to authorize the payment in Gcash if asked. Keep the checkout window open until you see a confirmation. Having stable internet and enough Gcash balance helps avoid declines or timeouts. Once payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to Steam, and you should receive a purchase confirmation email. Your game will appear in your library. If it doesn't start downloading automatically, you can begin the install from there. If Gcash doesn't show as an option, check your Steam store country and try again later, as availability can vary. That's it. Enjoy your new game.